How to use SUI Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, you will first have to get the SUI Wallet. Simply search for SUI Wallet on Google Chrome and then you would be able to find this particular link from Google Web Store. Simply open up the first link and this is where it will take you. Now select the option of Add to Chrome in order to add it to your extensions. After that, you can create your account and this is how your account will look like after you create it. Now this is your address that you need to use in order to deposit crypto to your SUI wallet. And if you want to purchase SUI in your wallet itself, simply select this particular option of buy. You get different options whether you want to buy using Bankska or MoonPay or Transact. Simply select any particular option in order to purchase it. You can also send your SUI that you have in your wallet by using this particular option of send. And here you need to select the amount of coins that you want to send, and also you need to enter the address. Simply copy this particular address from the place where you are sending this particular SUI. In case you are sending it to someone else, then ask them to provide this particular address. And this way you would be able to send the SUI balance to any other account out there. If you want to make swaps, simply select this particular option of swap over here and select the amount of crypto. You can select different coins from here, this list. But if you only have SUI, then SUI will show up and you would be able to see the balance as well. Simply select this particular amount that you want to swap and at the bottom simply select the coin that you want to get. Suppose I want to convert one SUI into USDC. I will simply select USDC at the bottom and the amount that I will get will be shown on its own. And here is the maximum slippage tolerance. Simply click on this option of swap in order to swap it. And this is how easy it is to swap crypto on this particular wallet. You would be able to see all your balances on the My Coin section, and here at the bottom you would be able to find different options, 4 different options. Simply select assets in order to find all your assets over here. If you want to participate in SUI ecosystem, then click on this option of apps, and here you get different SUI apps. Simply select them in order to utilize them. If you want to see your activity on this particular network, how much amount you have received and how much you have sent, then you would be able to see this particular activity over here. And this is how easy it is to use SUI wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.